brother are gonna be trying some snackies. First, hold on. Alright, so we got some snackies from Walmart and I'm so excited. He loves these little crunchies. So we've tried the ranch ones. Haven't we tried the apple sweet potato? And now there's the vanilla maple. Yay! Let's try this. Oh, I'm excited. That's actually really good. You okay? Take a bite. You like it? We'll be back when he's done with this. I think we like that. You want to wash that down with some Similac Alimentum? Yeah. We'll be back. The next treat is arrowroot biscuits. All right. So he's gonna try a little bite because I don't want a full one. It's just like a biscuit. It doesn't really have a flavor or anything. It actually tastes like a graham cracker. Oh, like those little Teddy Grahams. Mom, the biscuits taste like those like Teddy Grahams, you know? Yeah, or like a graham cracker. So far he's liking this one. We'll be back when he's done with this. I think Andrew's winning against this biscuit. Don't mind Miss Rachel in the background, but this is our update. This is our update. Andrew's got 2 little teethers and he's really working those hard. Finish that and now we're gonna... 1 second. Now we're gonna wash it down. Next and last snacky, he's had like this, some sort of snack like this. They're little puffs, but they're fruit puffs. He's had banana ones and strawberry and blueberry ones. Like strawberry, blueberry ones. Berry and banana. And then banana. And so now we're trying these whipped melts and they're banana, apple, and blueberry. And he loves blueberry. I got one in my mouth. Now we're gonna have him try this. I think he liked all of those. Now I'm gonna wash it down. I think we're gonna have seconds. Yeah, we're gonna have seconds. Yeah. Yeah. And there you go. Oh gosh, we're big bags. We'll definitely do more videos like this. Bye.